Craft cannabis company leaders, does any of this sound familiar to you? Your initial sales were good, but have slowed a bit or a lot, and the slower sales are putting you at risk of being delisted. You work with an agency to rep your products, but it's not quite going how you thought it would. You feel like your products aren't getting the attention they deserve, they're just getting lost among all the other products that are out there. Maybe you're not all that comfortable with leaving the crucial sales step to somebody else, someone who doesn't care about it as much as you do. You know marketing and sales are important. You know you need to reach out to stores, you want to post more on social media, but it's harder than you thought, and it's not going how you thought it would. Sound familiar? I see you nodding. Stick around and I'll share what you can do to fix this. I'm Velvet from 𝗶𝗶𝘁𝗵. I've got 2 words for you: marketing, foundation. If you're marketing and don't have a strong foundation in place, simply put, you're wasting your resources and you will not get the results you want. Your foundation needs to be strong because everything else that you do in marketing and selling your products is built on it. Your foundation includes things like understanding your target demographic, heck, even having a target demographic, having a compelling story about your company, and knowing how and what to communicate to your buyers. It takes work, and there's a bunch of pieces to it, but I can help you build that foundation. Send me a DM if you want to find out more. If you don't have a marketing foundation, you can put out all the slick content you want, but it will fall short. You'll spend all this time and money on stuff that is not going to connect with buyers. You may as well burn it. And I know you do not have time and money to burn. When you have a strong marketing foundation, it's so much easier to know what to do. You'll be able to find marketing partners that present your company in the way you want them to, in a way that you're not lost amongst all the other products out there. You'll be able to connect with retailers who are excited to sell your products, and you'll build a consumer base of repeat buyers, people who you can impact in a positive way. Because that's what you want in the end, right? You want to do good things with your business. You want to share your love of this plant and how it can help others. To do that, you need a solid marketing foundation. This takes work, but you don't have to do it on your own. I will help you build this foundation. Together, we'll increase your confidence that your brand is being repped the way you want it to, get retailers more excited to sell your products because you make it easy for them, and create content that really connects to build a fan base of people who love your products and keep buying them. If that sounds like something you want to do, send me a message. I'm Velvet from 𝗶𝗶𝘁𝗵. Subscribe to my channel for more cannabis marketing tips. I'll see you there.